Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Freebox Wi-Fi. First, ensure your Freebox is powered on and broadcasting its Wi-Fi signal. You'll need to find the network name, also known as the SSID, and the security key or password. These details are typically printed on a label on your Freebox itself. Once you have this information, you can proceed to your device's Wi-Fi settings. To begin, physically locate your Freebox. Look for a sticker or label, usually found on the back or underneath the device. This label contains crucial information: your Wi-Fi network's name, often called the SSID, and its corresponding security key, which is your Wi-Fi password. It's a good idea to write these down accurately to avoid any errors during the connection process. Now, grab the device you wish to connect, whether it's a smartphone, tablet, or computer. Navigate to its Wi-Fi settings. You'll see a list of available networks. Find and select your Freebox's network name from this list. When prompted, carefully enter the security key you noted earlier. Double-check for any typos before confirming the connection. If you encounter issues, don't worry. A simple restart of both your Freebox and the device you're trying to connect often resolves minor glitches. Always double-check that you've entered the Wi-Fi security key precisely as it appears on your Freebox label. If the signal seems weak, try moving your device closer to the Freebox for a more stable and reliable connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.